Maglalaro nga pala tayo ng Tower Simulator ba ito? Ewan ko kung ano to, basta maglalaro tayo nito. Ayan, click to claim. Already yes, 126. Okay. Tomorrow, what is this?
Dumo-open to, baka pumasok ulit si Jeff.
Okay.
Hoy.
Live to journal contents keep going up to the content before this is okay. So click. Okay, what? Okay, game. Yeah. Let's go. Build our this. It's kind of rock. Okay, I do. Shoo! Another books in the comment. Babalikan ko na lang kayo pag mataas nito. Ayan guys, medyo malaki-laki na yung tower. At ang hirap mag-control guys. Ba't kasi yan pag nalalagay yung tutors, multiplier, pass clan, flash break power. Ay nako talaga. Hello buddy. Ito mataas na ito, hindi na kaya. Pero kayang gapangan. Pwede pa lang gumapang dito. Ngayon ko lang natuklasan, pwede pa lang gumapang. Look. Sheesh! Hello buddy. Ping. Badges. I want a badge. So, like that. Habang naghihintay. Ang technique ni slash Edans 3 dots dura labadabang labadabang damit. So we can do this a second faster. Let's go man, let's go. Oh, you fall. You fall. Talaglag ka. Let's go. Click. Let's go. Have a villagers in the table place. Yeah. Okay, should place it this. No, place. Full. Tinawa sa full. Please that. Wait, what was it? Please. gustong sumit sa ganito kataas. Lahat. Let's go. No. We should be red fire. We are red. The earth does is a okay, thank you. Let's go. Sobra talagang hirap i-control. Sheesh. So, ayun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Hindi, joke lang. Super hirap i-control. Ano ba klaseng controller to? Okay. I control it. Nice. Oh. Mine is getting taller. Let's stay AFK also. Sorry nga pala guys, hanggang dito na lang. Huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe kayo. Hindi pa kayo nakapag-subs. Pabuti natin ng 15 subs para magawa tayo ng part 2. Okay, so bye. Okay, so bye.